really saying shit, but I'm saying shit, but I'm doing shit, I'm saying shit the same way I be saying it the last time I said it before. Don't fucking play with me, cause you know I'm gonna go. Fresh out the boat, bitch. Hey. Got a badass bitch, and she 40 Smith and West, and she let me finger fuck her and her best friend. Take me to her wedding, she gon' let me be the best man. You hang around a bunch of pussy, something like a yes man. Dick make her dumb, but she love the way I come. Fucked her so damn good, man, I think I got her sprung. Man, she sucking on my dick, so I'm licking on her tongue. She said that my dick would really make her fucking tummy numb, but I think she from England, so I think I hit her mom. White bitch said she loves her coke, it go right where her wrong. She said, who is this bitch? I say who? She said, why the fuck you acting dumb? I be hanging with the horses, cause your nigga really hung. Cause I'm a real rock star, your niggas not really hot. Your niggas might be the store, but I'm the nigga with the pot. Your bitch send the location, so you know I got the drops. I ain't beefing with nobody, why y'all be searching for ops? Y'all swear y'all hate dicks, be the main one riding cocks. Shoot one time, me my niggas, yeah we spinning blocks. I don't need no bitches, they be the main ones you gotta watch. Playing both sides, no moral compass up on their watch. Nuka nigga, Hiroshima, yeah that's on my block. I don't wear no watches, cause nigga I'm always on the clock. Got a Smith and Weston, but a nigga might go cop a Glock. Either way the cut go, push it run up, he get popped. I think I still work at Walmart, clean up this, I got a mob. Nigga talking stupid, get a stick, I'ma attach the mob. Green bean, blue bean, red bean, it don't matter. I don't use stepping stools, I'm just climbing up the ladder. Doing shit I love, and this make my pockets fatter. Yeah, y'all niggas keep on hating, and y'all niggas getting sad and screaming fuck Earth, nigga. Yeah, I'm tryna go to Sam, beating on my bitch booty cheeks and bed, she be sad. And all y'all niggas smack a splinter, cause y'all niggas y'all be ratting. Y'all come in and peasant too, man, that shit do not make you savage, nigga. Any town, any city, place, you know I ravage, nigga. I'm a type of nigga, fuck your bitch, you know I'm savage. I'm a brown boy, call my genie proof, you see the magic, bitch. I'm ballin' with the pistols, screaming, I forgot the magic. Never deal with horse, they do talking too much fucking nagging. Man, these bitches come with too many niggas, there's too much baggage. And I be working for Amazon, nigga, deliver package. Bitch, Serena Williams, nigga, man, this shit be causing racket. I'm in a higher tiller, nigga, but you in a lower bracket. Only way you coming up is if I lick you through the stratus, bitch.